Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Realme X7 Max Milky Way Edition. On the right spine you can see power button, on the left spine we have one buttons and SIM tray, up top secondary microphone, and here you can see 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port and speaker grip. At the back, phone comes with this dual tone finish. You can also see camera module and Realme branding with Dare to Leap slogan. On the front, you get 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display. For your multitasking, you get 8GB RAM with 128GB of storage. The storage type is UFS 3.1. For your stunning photos, you get triple camera setup, 64, 8 and 2. The 8MP is the ultra wide and 2MP is the macro sensor. On the front, you get 16MP front camera. For battery, you get 4500 mAh battery with support fast charging.